Hello, friend. Now my topic uh, is coordination advantageous or not? In my point, I think that co-education is more advantageous than ordinary uh, boys and girls school uh, because there are so many psychological reasons are there hiding in there. uh, in co-education, uh, both the boys and girls are become uh, self-controlled automatically in his manner, in his behavior, and there are some reason for that also. In childhood, when the kids are in nursery or in primary school, there is no problem. But normally, as the boys and girls are grown up, about 10 plus years, there is some various changes in our body system, and normally we see that in a boys' school, only boys' school, when the teachers left the class, the boys are just like rousers, and they are not follow any rules. They are using slang language each and others. They are doing so many things for their enjoyment, for their joy. And if coordination is there, in presence of some girls, the boys will not be so violent and so do not use such slang language. Even it is also seen that in only girls' school, those who are 10 plus age, crosses 10 plus age, there are also seen that they are using some nonsense words or some wrong thinking, wrong culture. But in presence of boys, it will not happen. They will not do such type of things. So both boys and girls, both are become controlled in their manners, speech, in their and everything in coordination skill. The most important point is that in coordination skill, the main advantage is that every boys and every girls is too much curious about the opposite sex, and every girls also fearful about the boys activity. So their fearful and curiousness will get mitigated, and I think it will happen, it will normally happen. Further the curiosity and fearfulness can be mitigated, can be and they can make a friendly and healthy atmosphere among them. There are some exception. I think there every places there are some exception. I have seen that only boys school and few boys are beating there are two parties, created two parties, and they are fighting each other, and even blood is nose is bleeding. I have also seen. But all these are the case when the only boys and only girls are school are there, and they are psychologically balanced. In a coordination school, boys do not do such activity in presence of girls, and also in the if the girls curiosity, girls fearfulness about the boys will also mitigate in the coordination school, and their cooperation will increase, their study will increase, and their friendship will increase. All this benefit is the mean maximum than disadvantages, I think, in my point of view. So that's it, and coordination is more better and more beneficial than normal education. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you.